This is the DJI Mic Mini, starting at just $59 US. Today, we're going to give you a quick unboxing and hands-on experience. Here's the DJI Mic Mini charging case, packed with everything you need. 2 transmitters, 2 magnetic back clips, 1 receiver, a USB-C charging cable, 2 black and 2 gray windproof furry covers, a Type-C phone adapter, a storage pouch, and a 3.5mm camera connection cable. All the essentials in one neat package. The DJI Mic Mini charging case has a plastic build, but feels surprisingly premium in hand. On the back, there's a USB-C charging port, while the front features battery level indicator lights. With the receiver, transmitters, and case combined, you're looking at up to 48 hours of battery life. This generation also upgrades storage with a smart all-in-one design, fitting the receiver, 2 transmitters with their windproof covers, and the 3.5mm camera cable neatly in one place. The only downside, the clasp could close a bit smoother. The DJI Mic Mini transmitter stands out for its tiny size, roughly the size of a standard SD card, and it weighs just 12 grams. When clipped onto a t-shirt collar, it barely tugs at the fabric. The top has the diaphragm, the front shows the logo, and on the left, you'll find the power indicator, pairing button, and power button. The right side has the noise reduction indicator, while the back sports a clip and magnet. The bottom? Charging contacts, of course. The receiver ditches the screen from the DJI Mic 2, simplifying things and shrinking the size. The front features status lights for channels 1 and 2, which shift from green to yellow when noise cancellation kicks in. On the right side, you've got a 5-level gain adjustment knob with a satisfying tactile feel and crisp rebound. The power button is on the right, while the left side holds the 3.5mm output and pairing button. The back has a USB-C charging port, charging contacts, and signal transmission contact for connecting to a phone adapter or digital audio interface. Alright, hop on your headphones and let's dive into the 24-bit audio quality, as promised by the specs. First up, we'll test it in a nice, quiet environment. Now, let's see how it handles a noisy environment. Lastly, here are 2 features of the DJI Mic Mini that we think are definitely worth highlighting. You can activate the anti-clipping setting in the menu, which keeps your audio clean, no matter how suddenly your voice spikes. In summary, the DJI Mic Mini adds a strong option to DJI's microphone lineup. With a starting price of $59, impressive battery life, and solid sound quality, it offers great value.